New tonight, the saying goes, honesty is the best policy, and that's especially true when it comes to your health, whether it's a checkup or something more. Patients who withhold information from their doctors could be putting their lives at risk. CBS 2's Dick Brennan breaks down the dirty truth behind patient lies.
To get the best medical care, patients need to tell their doctors everything.
I just don't want to give out that information.
If it doesn't seem like it's an issue, I wouldn't bring it up.
What you don't tell your doctor can kill you.
That nearly happened to 52-year-old Virginia Monero.
I think what we do is take shortcuts.
There was an inordinate amount of bleeding.
Dr. Barry Weintraub is a plastic surgeon. He was performing a facelift on Monero.
She apparently had, and she didn't disclose this, a cardiac catheterization 4 days earlier. And that doctor put her on Plavix. This was very, very close to becoming a catastrophe.
You have to really disclose everything about yourself, even though you may not think it's important.
Everything turned out all right in this case, but doctors agree there are common lies that they hear too frequently from patients.
If someone withholds heavier drinking, another important one is smoking. There may be sedatives. There may be other things that the patient's doing that I really need to know about.
A recent survey said nearly 30% of Americans admit they sometimes lie to their doctor.
Elderly patients may be afraid to tell you something because they think you're going to do an extra test, or maybe you're going to diagnose something they're afraid of.
Dr. Albert Levy is a family practitioner who encourages his patients to divulge even the most personal information.
Are you having sex or unprotected sex?
He also treats men who don't tell the truth about taking sex-enhancing drugs.
Of course, his blood pressure came down and he fainted.
Dr. Levy says not being truthful about lifestyles and medications means a patient won't get the care that's needed.
A doctor is not a judge or a police. Is just here to help you.
It's also important to talk to your doctor about any additional stress you may be experiencing. It may help the practitioner understand symptoms that may be occurring as a result of that. Dick Brennan, CBS 2 News.